Just check that side, yo. I think we're good on this side, dude.
Yo, tripping.
Never mind. I'll be right back. Well, Josh, would you mind going downstairs and get me a drink, dude?
Of course, bro.
Would you go downstairs and grab a couple of cans of soda, yo? Be in the fridge. You can have.
You want triple?
I'm thinking just a few, cause in case I go through one, I don't want to have to go up again. But can you get something for yourself as well, bro? For the troubles, yo.
Appreciate that, man.
You can give me a water as well too for your troubles.
I think a deal, yo, Plaga.
Yo, Josh, thank you.
Don't throw this on.
Got it in a paper bag.
Seeing other dudes, hey, I got the last coffee cake.
Bring yummy cheese.
This kid sucks. Oh man,
This kid sucks so bad. What do 3 things have in common that we may or may not have spoken about today?
Find out this week on Mac and Cheese Wednesday.
I don't know.
Wednesday.
All right, welcome to episode 6 of Mac and Cheese Wednesday, of season 2. It's not episode 6. If you really want to whittle it down, it's actually episode.
It doesn't fucking matter.
14. It's fuck you, bro. It matters. It's episode 14. We've been doing.
It doesn't fucking
Dude,
matter.
what? Are you kidding me, bro?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter.
Whatever, man.
It doesn't matter.
Well, today we might sound a little bit different, or it might look a little bit different because our microphone is not here. We're testing out the Sanken COS 11 DBP lavaliers from our good friends over at Lens Pro to Go. We're gonna let you know how they sound. We used them for a shoot yesterday, and they sound amazing.
Yeah, let us know if you think if the audio sounds better than a normal usual episodes.
Yeah, the good thing about this is I lean back a lot. I got a good fat Joe going on, so when I'm over here, you can still hear me.
Lean back.
Lean back. Lean back.
Test it out, yo. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me now?
We're not gonna know.
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me? It's my ass cracks out.
Yo,
Don't look. My ass cracks out.
I want to play that game. What's that game when the stuff goes on your head?
What's the name where you put the thing on your head and people have to guess what the thing is? Heads up.
Is it? On our phones.
That is what it is, dude. People knew exactly what I was talking about.
That's
mad funny.
What's the name where you put the thing on your head and people have to guess what the thing is?
It's just charades because they show them put them on your head.
Hey, put it on your head, and you look at mine, and I gotta
Yeah, but
guess.
charades is that as well?
No, charades is like, yo.
I guess I'm gonna spend. I get it. I guess I'm gonna spend the 99.
Fuck was that, yo?
I guess I'm gonna spend the 99 cents for this fucking app.
We could do this for free right now.
Finger.
2 words, first word.
First word.
So it's 2 words, first word.
You can't talk to your
I got, because you were being an idiot. You're allowed to talk if the other guy is being dumb. Okay, so.
Why does that keep changing? 2 words. First word.
I haven't thought of a word yet.
Okay.
2 words. First word. Yeah, see, I know that. First word. Hand job. Dick.
And then.
Dick massage?
Like.
Open. I don't know what that is. like condom.
Oh.
Rubber. Dick rubber. Second word, dick rubber.
First word is rubber.
Okay. Second word is chicken. Yeah. Okay, what's the second word?
Millennial swimmers?
Oh!
Are we locked in talking
Yeah,
robots?
I think just check that side, yo. I think we're good on this side, dude.
Yo, tripping.
Can you I'll be right back. Josh, would you mind going downstairs and give me a drink, dude?
Of course, bro.
Would you go downstairs and grab a couple of cans of soda, yo? Be in the fridge. You can have.
You want triple?
I'm thinking just a few, cause in case I go through one, I don't want to have to go up again. But can you get something for yourself as well, bro? For the troubles, yo.
Appreciate that, man.
You can give me a water as well too for your troubles.
Take a deal, yo, Plaga.
Yo, Josh, thank you.
Don't throw the soda. 2 syllables. Second syllable.
Yeah.
Okay. Boys. First syllable. Fuck boys. Oh shit. Okay.
I would play 20 questions.
Yeah, with girls.
All right, play 20 questions. Hold up. Is it bigger than a bread box?
Yes.
You need to function.
I'm sorry. I should stop giving you so many clues.
Yeah, you should
I got
stop
this,
answering.
I got this
It's
three
questions, yo. It's questions, though. It's not fucking let's have a conversation about it. Actually, I should be, like, encouraging you to talk about it more.
Yeah, you're a fucking dick
All right,
sometimes, you know?
I'm sorry. Man.
I didn't say this one of those times. Just keep going.
Well, in the background, on the review, I'm going to feel like a jerk now. All right, now I don't want to play this game anymore. Like, is it a tool? Like, do you use it to do something?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
You're just not asking me the right questions to get to where you need to be.
Where do I need to be?
Oh,
Microphone?
No.
Speaker?
I realized I said no as if you were close, but you were not close.
Oh man, it did sound. It did when. Oh man, that's fucked up. Are they common? Would I see one?
Yeah, you've seen one a lot. For almost your whole life.
What color is it?
It can be a multitude of colors.
Oh man, fucking gay ass answer.
Well, that's a gay ass question.
Okay, fair enough.
You're asking like the weirdest questions, bro. Like there's some questions that I would ask right out the gate.
I thought I did though. It's bigger than a bread box. Where was it invented?
In a galaxy far, far away.
Lightsaber.
Yes. I knew I was gonna give it away. Is it alive?
No.
Is it electronic?
Can be.
Is it a car?
No.
Is it a dildo?
Yes. I just one of these days I would like a rap that line that was like, you know, I will help you change a tire if you need to.
Anything you need.
I will. Hey, you need me to get anything for you at the store? Yeah. Hey, I'm really good at PowerPoint presentations.
Yeah, let
so
me
if
know.
you need a hand, I will help you with your project.
I type out papers for the low. You already know.
What I'm saying is there should be nice rap lyrics.
There should be nice rap lyrics.
Every once in a while it should be like, hey, keep the change. You know what I mean?
I went to the store to get some s'mores. An old lady was walking in after me, and I held the door.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and be a really polite rapper from now on.
Yeah, definitely. I like that.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's already starting.
Viruses, please. It's okay. I tell that bitch she smells like poo. She ain't better have no attitude. I crushed it though.
Oh, you were way off.
He's like, let it rip. Got a poo. Let it rip. Ooh, I got a poo. You know when you got a fart? That's what it is. When you feel like you got a fart and you let the fart go and you go, whoa, actually I got a poo. That's what he gonna say. He goes, let it rip. Ooh, I got a poo. I got a poo. Coulda, woulda, bitch, and you don't act like you don't know.
What? What? The bars.
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, what's up, buddy? Yo, what's up, buddy?
Yo, what the fuck? Alright, yo, fuck it, yo, keep going. Yo, fuck it, I'll take a little time.
Hey, where you?
I'm out.
Hey,
Hey,
yo, where you going, man? Where you going, bro?
I'm out, yo.
Chin, my finger.
Shit up, no worries. Art is anal shoes. I still don't get that.
I should have seen that coming. I just kind of want to try this.
Oh man, I don't like that. I don't like that. I eat a lot of those.
That's just a regular Dorito.
All right, so this is a clip that I'm putting in right now. So just in case we end up not having enough content for mac and cheese, we're gonna put in a couple videos from us riding in a helicopter yesterday. And if we don't, if we have enough content, I'm still putting this clip in so you guys all know that we were in a helicopter yesterday filming.
Yeah, right. Now I'm fly as ever, coast through any weather where you thought I wouldn't be. Is exactly where you can find me, cause I am the one. Couldn't clip the wing.
Yo, you're a fool if you didn't go to school. You know I know the things of life. I know that twice. I don't even care cause I ate mad rice, cause that's mad good. You can put pork in it. I don't even give a shit. I also add spinach cause I'm wicked crazy and I'm just like I was Papa. I don't even give a shit cause I'll give you black eye am cheese. I really like my Dero and my queso cause I don't even give a shit. I brought a fucking case, bro. I got a cheese on my head, but don't call me a cheesehead. I could eat a motherfucking cheese and then I put it on bread. And then I Lysol spray at a. Oh, I was. Yo. Ooh. Bitch, you used to make me wings. Now you don't wig anything.
Ashes.
Yo, ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Put my penis right in your butt. And if you do, you'll be a slut.
What? I'm a fucking hero. Play the tape back, you look like Robert De Niro. Cause you went like this. I heard your fucking mixtape and I took a piss on it.
The only reason why you would take a piss on it when you're sick, cause it's the motherfucking shit.
Yeah. But that's it. It's literally shit. I don't want it.
That's a lie. You just lied. You're one of those type liar guys. Put it to your eyes. Pop, 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 pop. Die.
You like chicken fries?
No.
I like chicken. Yo, I learned the game from Master Yoda. You could never soda.
I don't know you're going from Russell over. Preheat the oven. 400. Yeah, I love it. Put the chicken in. Get the seasoning. Then I'm going in. So delicious. Oh, I get the butter. Oh, I'm gonna make it love it. Put the fucking spices on. Let the fucking write a song. Got a fucking handy.
Oh.
From a dude named Randy. It was real fucking dandy. Yo, funky ass beat.
Funky beat?
Funky
This beat's
ass
mad funky.
Beat. Nah, yo, this beat's fucking chunky, dude. This is a remix edition to the song about fishing. I'm gonna get some bait and everybody up in here wishing they got a fish just like me.
I was at the church getting christened and then my nephew went missing. I was like, oh my God, where is that dude? I think he's been kissing the pastor and all the dudes. He's in there getting nude. Okay, that was kind of weird.
Yeah, that was really weird.
That shit was hot though.
Fat Simon the Dong, gonna pull up my car. Hard as a rock.
Make it hard for you to walk. Woo! I'm Asian cooking like a wok. I'm an Ewok, higher than a treetop or some fucking knee socks.
Yeah.
You already know when I come through every day with your bitch, I need bops. It's kind of like that game, cause she bop it and twist it and everything is so insane. Bitch, you know my name, it's Mark Murphy, but in short, it's Give Me Brain.
Yeah?
Ooh.
Yeah, you know I'm nice. Asian got a little bit of rice. All up in the patties, rolling up the fatties. Yo, bitches wish she had me. Said I just don't dance, I just pulled on my pants and put my cock and sway. And lean back, and lean back, lean back, lean back. I said I really don't dance, I just pulled on my pants and then my cock can sway. And lean back,
Lean back, lean back, lean back.
She's on my dick, she wanna touch it, suck it, then rub it. Pull it out, I let her tug it. Then we eat some chicken nuggets, spread it open, and I fuck it. Then we all up in the house, and I'm all up in the house. Then I pull my dick out, now it's all up in her mouth. And I'm rapping real loud, feel bad for Simon's mom, cause it funny so it sounds so motherfucking wrong.
Yo, is it stealing? Is it wheeling and dealing? If I go to Mickey D's and they give me an extra nugget, and I drive away like fuck it. Alright, that's the end of magazines.
So we win?
Hey, how funny were those three things we talked about today?
Those three things were great.
Those three things we talked about were hilarious.
Awesome. Can't wait to see what the name of this episode's gonna be.
I'll tell you what, I look back, I reminisce, it was fun. It was really fun.
Bum, 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 bum. Wednesday. Fuck.
Don't even give a shit. When guys come around, you dribble. Like a basketball star.